everyday life. Work refers to any physical or mental activity. In science, work is said to be done when the point of application of force moves. But in physics, work is measured by the product of the force and the distance moved in the direction of the force. Mathematical work is equal to force times displacement. So this is a formula of finding work. So the SI unit of work is a joule. For example, the man pushes the wall. The wall does not move. The man will not be doing any work on the wall, so he may physically become tired. Similarly, a porter carrying a bag of rice on his shoulder does not do any work as he moves along. This is because there is no motion in the direction of the force, which in this case is the weight of the bag, which acts vertically downwards. There are two requirements for work to be done. The first, there must be a force acting on an object. Second, the object must move parallel to the force, that is, in the same or opposite direction as the force. Energy. A fallen stone is capable of completing spear spin. Why? The stone completes a spear spin because it possesses energy. Energy is therefore defined as the capacity for doing work. If a son left a brick of mass 5 kg through a height of 1.5 meters, he will done an amount of work which equals to 5 times 10 times 1.5 equals to 75 of work, where gravitational force equals to 10 Newton per kilogram. The work done in this case measures of the muscular energy which the mason has put into the job. Energy exists in different forms like chemical, mechanical, heat, electrical, light, sound, and nuclear energy. Energy has the same unit like work, so the unit of energy is a joule. And mechanical energy. There are two forms of mechanical energy. The first, potential energy. Potential energy. Second, kinetic energy. Potential energy is energy possessed by about spiral of its position or state. Potential energy equals to mass, the gravitational force, head. So, as a unit of potential energy is to the joule. The kinetic energy of a body is defined as the energy it possesses of its motion. If a stone, for example, is thrown to a glass level, the level breaks. This is because the stone had some energy. The energy possessed by the stone is called kinetic energy. Power is the rate at which work is done. It is measured of the rate at which energy changes. This means that whenever work is done, energy changes into a different form. Power equals to work done over time. The unit of power is joule per second or watt. 1 joule per second equals to 1 watt. Other units of power are kilowatts, horsepower. The equivalence to the watt is 1 kilowatt equals to 1000 watts. 1 milliwatt equals to 1 million watts. 1 horsepower equals to 700.5 watt. When 1 joule of work is done per second, the power produced is a watt. Watt is a unit for measuring electrical power. Rate of doing work. Suppose the two cleaners each lift objects having masses of 200 kg to a height of 12 meters. Clean a lift it is object in 10 seconds, while clean B requires 15 seconds to lift its object. Assume the lift the object is at a constant velocity, they do the same amount of work. Work done. See here on the your cycling.